ندرسها هي التي كان عليها الصحابة والتابعون وتابع التابعين بما في ذلكم الأئمة الأربعة.
The knowledge that we acquire about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is through revelation. It is not by way of reason. We don't use our reason. We don't depend upon our reason independently to have detailed, specific knowledge about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah made it obligatory upon us to know about Him by way of revelation. That's why He sent messengers. That's why He revealed books. And when every messenger called the people, He didn't say to them, first of all, before I tell you, you need to prove rationally that Allah exists. Or you need to prove rationally that Allah has knowledge. Or that Allah is living. No one said that. No messenger said this. The messengers simply conveyed the verses of the Quran, of the revelation, and informed the people what Allah informed them about Himself. This is a fundamental difference between the people of the Sunnah, the people who follow the prophets and the messengers and the books, and between those people who are the people of Kalam, ilmul Kalam, philosophical rhetoric. Because they say, we follow the evidence of reason. And that's why these people, as a point that we didn't mention yesterday, the understanding of Taqlid, blind following with these people, is that you cannot follow Allah and His Messenger because their saying is not a proof in and of itself. In other words, if you believe in Allah and His Messenger through revelation, you are a muqallid. And that's why in the books of the Mu'tazila and the books of the Ash'aris, you will see there are chapter headings. They discuss this topic. Sihhat Iman al-Muqallid. The correctness of the Iman of the Muqallid. What do they mean by this? They mean that any person who has not rationally, philosophically proved Allah's existence, and then on the basis of that believed in the Quran, believed in the Messenger, he is a muqallid. Meaning that you are a muqallid, you are a blind follower, just by believing in Allah and believing in the Messenger by way of fitrah, by way of your natural inclination, or by way of the evidence of the Quran itself, or the evidence of the Sunnah itself. You are a muqallid. So in other words, what is the hujjah? To them the hujjah is reason. To us the hujjah is the Quran and the Sunnah. The speech of Allah, the speech of the Messenger. This is the hujjah. When we follow the hujjah, we are making ittiba'. We are following the hujjah because Allah and His Messenger are the hujjah. But to them, we are muqallida, we are blind followers. And our iman is shaky. Because to them, they say that the reason is the foundation. And this is batil, it is false. And we prove that from the evidences that we looked from the Quran, from the Sunnah, from the statements of the salaf. We looked at that in detail yesterday.